Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to change Apple ID phone number. So if you have a Apple account and now you want to change your Apple ID account phone number, here's how to do it. First of all, go to your iPhone settings and here make sure to sign into your Apple ID. Now tap on your name and tap on sign in and security. And here you will find this option, email and phone numbers. All you have to need, tap on edit and tap on add email or phone number. And now tap on add a number and select here your country code, and in this number box you have to write your new phone number. Once you successfully added your new number, just tap on next and then you will get a OTP verification code to your number. Just verify your new number. Once your number successfully verified, you will see the number has been added in this list. Once added, then you will be able to delete or remove your Apple ID account old number by tapping on edit and by tapping on this little minus icon next to your number. So this is how we can change our Apple ID account number. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.